In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed Google Drive files into Notion. If you're someone who wants to view or access your Google Drive files directly inside Notion, this simple method will be perfect for you. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity by keeping everything in one place. To get started, you first need to open the Google Drive file you'd like to embed. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a PDF. Whatever the file type, the process remains the same. Once you have the desired file open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the share button. It's typically symbolized by an icon of a person with a plus sign or just the word share. Click on it and you'll trigger a dialog box with various sharing options. Here, your goal is to obtain the link to your file. In this dialog box, locate the option that says Copy Link. By clicking on it, you'll be copying the file's unique URL to your clipboard. This link is essentially the bridge that will connect your Google Drive file to your Notion workspace. So make sure you don't skip this all-important step. Next, switch over to your Notion page where you want to embed this Google Drive file. Once you're on the correct page, click where you would like to insert the file, type a / or simply the whole character, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a variety of elements you can add to your Notion page. Scroll through these options until you find Embed and select it. You'll be prompted to paste the link you've just copied from Google Drive. Do so by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac. Once the link is pasted, Notion will automatically process it and create an embedded preview of your Google Drive file right there on the page. Depending on the type of file, Notion will either display a convenient preview or present a button you can click to open the file directly. This allows you to not only view the file, but also access it whenever needed without leaving the Notion app, making for a seamless and integrated experience. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Drive file into Notion in just a few straightforward steps. This method improves collaboration and keeps all your important documents organized and accessible from one central location. By following these steps, you'll be able to work more efficiently and maintain a tidy digital workspace. I hope you find this method as useful as I do. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your Notion experience.